Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael and this is my Volkswagen Touareg, on which we will proceed today with the exhaust valves and cutout valves. Sad news, they're already on it, but they don't work yet. I didn't film that because it took me and my friend 8 hours to put it on, because normally you have straight pipes and you can put it on there. Mine, however, go all the way around. So I will show you how we made it and we'll show you what we have done until so far. And today we will proceed to make it work, because it doesn't work yet, because it's on air. You have to pull a vacuum hose from behind to the engine. I didn't really know, so my bad. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We'll make sure it works, and yeah, let's hop in right to it. So guys, basically we have the valves under it, and there is one hose coming into the back of the car, which goes to a magnet switch, which sucks the air, blows the air, no, the other way around, which goes in turn to the electric cable, which goes to this one for the remote control. And we made it so with the electrical wire, we made it in a cigarette lighter. So basically, as you can see, I already have two 12-volt plugs, so I can take it out whenever I want. That's the easy part. Now comes the hard part. Before it all works, we need to make sure one vacuum hose from here goes under the car and goes all the way to the front of the car, to the vacuum of the engine. That is around here somewhere around here. So basically we now need to see which hose sucks, so we can apply it to the exhaust valves. But there is one problem though, like you can see, yeah, right here. These hoses are cracked, so I have to replace a lot of them, in which in the meantime I can figure out which one is the suction one, so I can put a T-piece right in there, something like that, and yeah, well, pull the hose under the car. So before we do that, I will replace and look at a lot of that stuff, see which hoses are bad, need replacement, and see what it does. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this is my neighbor Kevin. Say hi, Kevin.
Hello.
Aww. So now this guy is my neighbor and he is very technical, as you can see. But we found out that this one is a constant vacuum. So we have a lot of broken hoses, trying to replace it for the moment, and the T-piece is already in. We now have to link it all together and make sure it's airtight. So when I start the car, this one goes in, this canister goes in. The other one does nothing. So if you know something about it, leave it in the comments and we'll check it out. So while we do this just a little bit more and then proceed to the hose under the car, I will show you some more. Alright guys, so we have made the hose, a little bit inventive, but we think it works. So now we have to create a hole in here, somewhere around this place, put the hose in it all the way to the front and just, yeah, hook it up. Right, so guys, as you can see, that one fitted perfectly. And this valve we had to shorten it out right around here. So it's still leaking a little, so we have to close this gap a little more, I think. And as you can see, the first hose goes there, and the second one, which goes under the entire car, is coming in here. Is Kevin doing that? Let me pull! Let me pull! Pull part! From under to the side to the upper side, so it's easy peasy. I'm not good at the hole. Alright, so we're gonna pull it off, and we're gonna adjust that one just a little bit more, and then work our way around the car. The reason why we had so much trouble, because, well, take a look. This is my exhaust, and it's going all over the place. So this was the only place where it will fit, which was not easy. And yeah, well, you can see it a little bit from the outside of the car, but yeah, that's no problem at all. It's not a beauty, but it works. It does what it's meant to do. So basically, we hooked it up on here, and we made a couple of new hoses as well. We pulled it all the way down here, all the way down under the car, and the fact that you don't see it right now on video, that's a good sign. All the way in the back of the car. Now it's all hooked up. Let's see if it works. It is time for a little cold start. Let's do this. That's all there is to it. Sounds nice, don't you think? Let me know what you think in the comments.